So we made it to Kanto Lampo. Google Maps wants you to take a really roundabout way. But anyway, we're gonna go down the stairs, we're gonna go check out the waterfall, and then you'll get to see it.
Yeah, really don't know what comes after that.
Yeah.
And just in case you guys were wondering, oh, this waterfall's off the beaten path, it's gonna be nice and quiet.
Nope.
Nope. Like, no way. Wow, that's a steep
We're like
step.
not even the only bloggers here.
Yeah, right? I think the only vloggers, but there's so many people who look ready with their cameras to just come over here and just be in everyone's way and take photos.
And I totally feel like out of place because they all look fabulous and came in like their makeup and their like sexy swimsuits.
You look great.
And I'm all here in like my headband going like, hey, hope you guys like me for my personality.
I do.
Thanks. So we made it to Kanto Lampo Waterfall. Some things for you guys to note. There is no real way to like put your stuff down and go into the waterfall. Once you go down the stairs, you're actually walking through the waterfall. Yeah. And then you just kind of land in the waterfall. And so I don't know how this is gonna work with our camera equipment, but we're gonna figure it out. Part 2, wear water resistant shoes because they're gonna get wet. Like there's no way to get down without going through.
And there's slippery rocks. Yeah. And we wore flip-flops.
Guys, this waterfall is absolutely stunning. The water's a little bit cold, so just keep it in mind. But I was surprised, like we were walking down the stairs and the rocks are not slippery at all. Like my feet right now, I'm standing like literally at the base of this giant waterfall, and it's not uncomfortable to walk on. It is gorgeous though. Oh. I don't want to go all the way in. Can I stay out? Hey! Whoa. The current of the river that runs next to these waterfalls is actually really strong. Like it's like pushing you this way. You all right? As per usual, Daniel and I come super prepared to everything. So apart from the fact that we don't own sunscreen anymore, yeah. We also didn't bring a towel. But it's okay, that's what scooters are for, right? You get on them and it's like a hair dryer, basically, but for your body.
Of dust and fumes.
Yeah. Okay, but anyway, on a real note, we actually have one more waterfall to see today. So yay!
That's the thing. We have made it to the second waterfall, now time to buy the ticket.
Hi! How are you?
I'm good.
Thank you.
Bagus.
Bagus.
Suksama.
Muali.
We made it to Tegenungan Waterfall. And it's beautiful. Honestly, not a waterfall that you can like go under because the water is so strong and so thick under it. So they actually have like a lining so that you can't go past that area, and it's really poppin'. It's like 2 o'clock. And I honestly thought that by now, like most of the people would have shuffled out, but it looks like people just like camp out here and take 76,000 pictures.
And there's actually still quite a few people flooding in with tours and things like that. So
go home, people. Don't you know that this is just for us?
Duh. All right, we're gonna go figure out how the heck to get down because it just looks like a maze of stairs.
Yeah.
So we just made it to the waterfall. Pretty anticlimactic because it's really tiny. It looks so big from so far away.
You're so goofy. There's another waterfall here. I don't know what it's called. It has a smaller stream, and it's also quieter, so I think we're gonna hang out at this one.
So now that we've checked out the little waterfall, it's time to make our way to the bigger one. Something we didn't know that was in front of the waterfall is what?
Stacked rocks?
Yeah?
I'm looking it up and they say entree kibbles. I don't know what that is though. I'm
like
trying to
kibbles and
Google
bits?
it. Maybe, but it doesn't. I don't have signal, so I can't find out what it is. So
Watch.
if you know what they are, comment below
Yeah.
so that we know.
Watch it be something super important, we just have no idea what it is.
I think it is super important because I saw them at the elephant temple yesterday.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oops.
Yeah, please let us know because we have no idea what it is. So we made it here to the big waterfall. It is absolutely beautiful and it's literally rushing down so hard that the mist coming up is creating a rainbow. It's hitting the sunlight perfectly, or the sunlight's hitting it perfectly. It's beautiful. The only downside is that there are a lot of people here and we didn't get here early to avoid the crowd. So if you guys are ever coming to this waterfall, I'll go ahead and put the name down below. So Nick didn't know it either earlier. Make sure that you guys get here early because we got here probably around lunchtime and it's absolutely slammed and it doesn't look like it's getting any slower. It's only getting busier.